Alrighty, okay, we just had one fish on right here underneath that limb down there. Point, shoot down underneath that limb. And we had another one come up and look at the bobber. God, we're fishing the wrong thing. And then we had another one come up and look at the bobber. So we just decided to take the bobber off. Here we go. Oh, God, that went right by him.
Oh.
Did you see that?
That was, yeah.
Let's swing out there. The one you had on there at first was a big chromer. I mean, that was a big chromer, and he just came off. Let's see here. Here we go again. Big man. Gotta slide through there. Oh. Dirty, rotten scoundrels. Pretty jazzy though, huh? Wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
A pink bobber.
The pink bobber came up for it.
That might not be a good thing to use anymore when we're nymphing. Oh!
Oh!
Frick!
Oh!
That was a grab.
That was a grab. I saw your line go tight.
Doggone it, I shouldn't have. I jerked. Oh!
Oh!
Oh, Lordy B.
Oh!
That hurts. That was pretty silly.
I saw your line go tight. It is raining. Whew. Steelheading on the South OP.
Take
Next
one more
cast.
shot lower here.
Yeah, good idea.
One big man. Drop that baby in there. There he is, steelhead on the swing.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a little guy, but that's okay. Yeah. Huh? Huh?
That's
That's not
fantastic.
the one you had on, but.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. We're in trouble there. How deep is it here?
We're too deep to get out too.
Okay, so why don't we do this, honey?
Okay.
Why don't you come back here? Oh, shoot. So once you come back here,
Okay.
and or I'll take that and you grab the rod here, and we'll walk back up here and do this one again, obviously. There you go. Took that one on the swing, didn't he? Huh? Okay, we'll put this on temporary hold here. We're going to sign off for a second.